In today's video, we're taking a look at how to install a light switch decorator plate, easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do everything that we use on the video. We're going to leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and said to yourself, it looks like a DIY day. You looked at your walls and said, painting? That's too much. I don't feel it that much. But then you saw your light electrical switches and you said, I can do that. They seem they fought a 5-round championship war with the welterweight champion and they lost. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. On the champion's corner, but a back is a back. The first thing that you want to do is verify that you have the correct house. Next, you want to verify that you have the correct electrical switch. And because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day is to die, we want to turn off the breaker for that particular light switch. We can use a non-contact voltage detector to verify that there's no electricity on the electrical switch. We're going to go ahead and remove the 2 screws that hold the cover plate in place. Remember the ancient technique passed down generation to generation of lefty loosey, righty tighty. And always remember, because in inflation, you want to save the screws. Throw them in the DIY bin where you throw the finished project screws that you removed 5, installed them all, and you still had 2 left. That bin. And the great thing about this decorator cover plate is that not only it acts like a regular plate cover, but it also covers the switch and it toggles. So that means you don't have to be handy with electrical wiring by removing the switch, removing the plate, and doing a brand new installation. So it is like a 2-for-1. So that means when your significant other, spouse, friend, or family member in the household looks at your handiwork, you can say you worked hard today. They won't know. And a pro tip, because we don't want to remove the paint once we remove the cover, it's always good to score around the plate cover to avoid this before removal. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and remove it easily. And because we don't want to lose that fight before the 5th round, we want to double check that there's no electricity on the outlet. And now basically what we want to do is align the toggle. If your switch is down, we want to place it down. If it's up, we want to place it up. Align the screw holes and reverse engineer our way to glory. We want to insert the screws by hand and then finish them off with a screwdriver. And remember the ancient technique passed down generation to generation of lefty loosey, righty tighty. And remember, being plastic, you don't want to over tighten, crack the plate, and have your significant other look at you and lose the kingdom in the same day. And now you've done it. You become a master at covering up dirty stuff of your neighborhood. Don't forget, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.